Yes, children, I am Vinod Mittal from Springfield Public School, and this is the last video for the chapter integer, and we will cover here the exercise 1.4. So question number 1, exercise 1.4, question number 1, that is related to division. And once again, rules of division: terms will be divided as usual, but the change sign will be preceded to result. Change sign will be preceded to result. That means the change sign according to chart will come in answer. If both the terms are positive, then answer will be positive. If both the terms are negative, then also answer will be positive. If one term is negative, one is positive, then minus sign will be there in the answer. So the first question, first part, A part, minus 30 divided by 10. Better you write in fraction. Minus 30 divided by 10. 10 1 ja, 10 3 ja. So minus 3 upon 1, that is minus 3 answer. Similarly, G part, minus 31 divided by square bracket open minus 30 plus minus 1 . So minus 31 according to BODMAS rule, first of all we will solve the bracket. When bracket is not able to solve, then we will open it, but here we can solve it. Minus 30, make the combined sign according to chart. Now same sign figure will be added and sign will remain same in the answer. Divided by, it will be minus 31. So minus 31 upon minus 31 cross 1 upon 1, answer is 1. Question number 2. Question number 2, that is related to verification. Question number 2, A part, A equal to 12, B equal to minus 4, C equal to 2, and to verify, the property is given: A divided by B plus C, A divided by B plus C is not equal to A divided by B, A divided by B plus A divided by C. So we need to prove that this is not equal to this one. So we will take the left hand side and this we will take the right hand side, and in between we will put the line, no equal to sign. This will be solved this side, this will be solved this side. At the end, if answer doesn't come same, then we will say A divided by B plus C not equal to A divided by B plus A divided by C. So put A equal to 12 divided by B equal to -4 plus C equal to 2. So 12 divided by, opposite sign figure will be subtracted, big figure sign will come in result, so -2, they will be subtracted and big figure is of minus, so big figure sign. 12 divided by -2, terms will be divided as usual, but the change sign will come in result, -6. Now on the right hand side, A divided by B, 12 divided by -4 plus divided by 2. C will be replaced by 2, A by 12, B by -4. So you will divide as usual, but the same change sign will come in result, -3 plus 6. Now opposite sign figure will be subtracted, big figure sign will come in result, big figure is of plus, so plus sign will be there, so even you can remove it, no need to put it. So you will see that our answer is not matching, so we will say that therefore A divided by B plus C whole not equal to A divided by B plus A divided by C. So this is distributive property, but it works only in case of multiplication. If here it is multiply, then we can say A multiply B plus C is equal to A multiply B plus A multiply C. So it works only in case of multiplication, distributive property, not in case of division. That is why we have done distributive property of multiplication over addition, distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. So B part, try yourself. Now come to the question number 3, fill-ups. A part, 369 divided by dash equal to 369. 369 divided by dash equal to 369. So you can give the answer of such type of question directly also. Directly 369 divided by 1 will be 369. So this will also be okay. Otherwise, follow the procedure. You can follow the procedure also. 369 divided box equal to 369. Better you write this type of division. In case of division, better you write in fraction. 369 divided by box equal to 369. So we need to find out the value in box. So box we will take to this side, it will be multiply over here, and it will be shifted to this side, it is multiplying, and it will be divided here. So these two things I am doing in the same step. 369 divided by 369 is equal to box. Box I have taken to that side, 369 to this side, 369 1 ja 369, so 1. So box will be replaced by 1. Therefore 369 divided by box, and in the box we will put 1, 369. So if you know the answer directly, you can put it. that will also be okay. And in case where you find some difficulty, you can put like this box and find out the value of box. Like in case of G part, (20) divided by box equal to -2. So figure can be changed over here. Some difficult figure can be given to you in exam. So you should know the procedure also. 20 divided by box equal to -2. Take this box to that side, -2 to this side. 20 upon -2 equal to box. 2 1 ja 2, 2 10 ja. Remove this minus here, put it here. -10 upon 1 equal to box, that is -10. -10 equal to box. Therefore, my 20 divided by -10 equal to -2. So wherever you find difficulty, so over there you can adopt this procedure. One more question, like in the H part, box divided by 4 equal to -3. So better you write in the fractional form. So I need to find out the value of this box. I will keep the box here, shift this 4 to that side. Box will be equal to -3 into 4. Box is equal to -12. So therefore -12 divided by 4 equal to -3. So children must have the knowledge of this procedure also, even though they can do such type of question directly also. Question number 4, write 5 pair of integer a comma b such that a divided by b equal to -3. One such pair is 4 comma -6 comma -2. So 5 pairs we need to write like this. They have given one example also, 6 comma -2. If I write 6 divided by -2, answer will be -3. Similarly 12 divided by -4 will also be -3. -15 divided by 5 will also be -3. Such type of 5 example you have to give. So try yourself this question. Question number 5 now. Temperature at 12 noon was 10 degree Celsius above 0. Question number 6. Temperature at 12 noon 10 degree Celsius. It is decreasing at the rate of 2 degrees Celsius per hour. In 1 hour, in each and every hour, it is decreasing by 2 degrees Celsius until midnight. At what time would the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius below 0? So in 1 hour, it is decreasing 2 degrees. So we will suppose, let after x hour, it is 8 degrees Celsius. So we will suppose, So in 1 hour temperature is decreasing 2 degrees Celsius. In X hour temperature will decrease 2 into X, 2x degree Celsius. So according to question, this time temperature is 10 degrees Celsius, but I need to subtract 2x degrees Celsius or remove degree Celsius only, write 10 minus 2x equal to below 0 minus 8. We will put minus 8. So according to question, we need to find out the answer of this equation. We have converted the question in the form of mathematical language, that is equation. We will find out x. After finding out x, we will be able to find out number of hours. We will add the number of hours in 12 noon. We will get the time. So take this minus 2x to that side, 8 to this side. 10 plus 8 equal to 2x. 18 divided by 2 equal to x. 2 will be in the division. It is multiplying here, it will be in the division. 8 plus 10, 18. 2 9 ja 18. 9 equal to x. But this is not the answer. These are number of hours. So after 9 hours, therefore after 9 hours temperature will be minus 8 degrees Celsius, that is 12 noon plus 9 hours is equal to 9 p.m. At 9 p.m. temperature will be minus 8 degree Celsius. So this is our answer. Similar type of question is question number 7, but first we will do the question number 6. In a class test, plus 3 marks are given for every correct answer, minus 2 marks are given for every incorrect answer, no mark for not attempting any question. Radhika scored 20 marks. If she got 12 correct, how many questions has she attempted incorrectly? So question number 6, first part, that is Radhika scored. Total score of Radhika is equal to 20. Let she attempted X question incorrect, therefore marks will be X into minus 2 minus 2x. So these are the marks for the incorrect questions. For the correct question, she has done 12 correct answers. So marks for 12 correct answers. Multiply. For the correct answer, she will get plus 3 marks, 36. According to question, these marks plus these marks, 36 plus minus 2x, she is getting total marks 20. So the language of the question we have converted in the form of equation. So it will be 36 minus 2x. Take the 20 to this side, minus 2x to that side, so that it become positive. 36 minus 20 equal to 2x. 16 equal to 2x. 16 upon 2 equal to x. So x is 8, therefore she attempted 8 questions incorrect, or 8 questions are attempted incorrectly. Similarly, the second part you will do by your own. Now come to question number 7. In question number 7, an elevator descends into a mine shaft at the rate of 6 meters per minute. So this is the question just like question number 5. In 1 minute, the elevator is descending 6 meters. So in x minute, 6 into x, 6 meter, 6x meter. And it is now on the position of 10 meters above the ground. Like in question number 5, the position was 12 noon at 10 degrees Celsius. Similarly, this is the initial position, 10 meters above the. So initial position, question number 7. Meter above the ground level. So plus 10. Let it takes x minute to reach at minus 350 meter. That is 350 meter below zero, below the ground level. So just like question number 5, we will say in 1 minute it descends equal to 6 meter. In x minute it will descend 6 into x, 6x meter. According to question, 10 meter, that is initial stage. Meter, you can remove the meter, you can put in the answer 10 minus 6x, because we are descending, so we are subtracting, and the answer we need minus 350. So 10 plus 350 equal to 6x. We are taking to 6x to that side, minus 350 to this side. So it is 360 divided by 6 equal to x. So it will be 60. So x equal to 60 means 60 minutes. X equal to 60. Therefore, after 60 minutes or 1 hour, it will be at minus 350 meter. So that's all for this video. Thank you.